Hello there. Welcome to this brief guide on how to use the Q&A feature. This tool makes presentations interactive by letting participants submit and upvote questions in real time. Please note that the availability of the Q&A feature depends on your subscription plan. To begin, navigate to your library, find the Kahoot you wish to host, and select Host Live. Depending on your account and subscription type, choose either presentation or lecture mode. Before starting, go to Live Game Settings. Look for the Q&A option and make sure it's enabled so that the participants can ask questions during the session. On the participant's device, a button labeled Ask will appear at the bottom right. They can type a question, up to 200 characters, and hit Submit. To see the questions submitted by participants, click on the Q&A icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens a side panel displaying all the asked questions. To highlight a specific question, simply click on it in the panel. Participants can also upvote questions they want to see answered. Both the host and participants can sort the feed by latest or top voted. If the question is answered, you have the option to archive it at any time and can bring it back later if needed. The host also has the option to disable the Q&A feature at any point during the presentation by clicking the lock icon. On the participant's screen, the Ask button will then show a lock, indicating submissions are closed. After the session, you can review all submitted questions by visiting the Q&A summary section in your report. Thanks for watching. Use Q&A to ensure everyone's voice is heard. Subscribe to our channel for more tips.